Good morning, welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie and we're just going to jump right into today's video. I've got extra laundry baskets right here to pick up any extra clothes that are in the floor, which there's a lot. I've got tons of blankets to get washed, tons. My dryer finally went out, y'all. I've been waiting for this thing to go out for quite some time and it finally went. And when I told my son that the dryer went out, he just left all of his clothes right there. And I need to get these pulled out so I can vacuum and mop behind them, and then I need to get all of that up there cleaned off and organized because I want to get rid of all of that. It is irritating me and it needs to go, so it's got to get cleaned. So we are just going to tackle this laundry room. And I usually would never show my laundry room looking like this, you guys. Never would I show you my laundry room like this. But today, it is real life. I have got to get this done. It is Thursday. And my washer and dryer should be in on tomorrow, which is Friday. But it's according to what time it gets there. So I may have to pick it up on Monday. But we're just going to get all of this done and ready. Y'all, I have been waiting for this stupid dryer to go out completely for a while because my husband's like, I'm not replacing it until it goes out. So the other day I grabbed my comforter to wash it because the dogs get on my bed and it just smelled like dog. So I grabbed the comforter to go wash it, and I couldn't even get it dried. It just took way too long, and it's not even a thick comforter at all. It's a thin one. And I told my husband, I said, well, I just had to hang it up outside to dry because the dryer is just not drying it. And so that next day, that was last Friday. So that very next day, we had to take my son to driving school and drop him off. So on our way back, we went looking at a washer and dryers because I told him I wanted a matching set this time. Because the washer went out years ago. We replaced it and been waiting for the dryer to go so I could get a full matching set because I really don't like the fact that they don't match. It bothers me. So if I'd have known all it took is to say, hey, I had to hang clothes outside to dry, I could have got a dryer a lot sooner. Lesson learned. But the next video after this is just going to be a huge laundry video because I have got so much laundry to get done. And it has just been piling up. I've got comforters that need to be washed. I've got sheets that need to be washed. And whenever I do laundry, it's just like the smallest loads because the dryer just wasn't drying. So I have got mounds of clothes that I have got to get washed and caught back up. So lots of laundry motivation coming y'all's way. And there was so much stuff behind the washer and dryer. There was so much dirt, dust, dog hair, socks, hair ties. It was just a bunch of stuff. And there was like even a little bit of cat food. That just tells you how long this has been pulled out. It has been a while since I had pulled these washer and dryer out because there was cat food spilt back behind there when we still had George. So I really need to make sure with the new ones they get pulled out more often to get back behind there to get it clean because there was laundry soap spilt on the floor back there. So I'm just waiting for my husband to get home because he's going to help me pull all this out and we're going to get it loaded up in the truck and get them hauled off.
not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back.
Okay, so this is a little embarrassing how much trash is behind my washer and dryer, but I know I am not the only one that doesn't pull the washer and dryer out often to clean behind them. I know I'm not. So, but still a little embarrassing, but you know what? This is real life, and I am showing you guys real life today. And I always try to show you guys real life all the time, real messes. I have 2 teenage kids, 4 dogs, and it is Monday, and I'm trying to get this finished editing. This is just the last little piece I've got left to do. And I will be picking up the washer and dryer today. Cannot wait, because I have got to get laundry done. And before I do the laundry routine video, I will be decorating for fall. I had to get my husband to get all my fall decor out of the shed because I went out there to go get it and there was a snake in there. I opened up the shed door. That damn thing lunged at me. It lives in there. I told my husband either he went in there and got my fall decor out, or I went on a shopping spree to buy new fall decor because I was not stepping foot in there. My husband named that damn thing Fred. Fred the snake. He lives in the shed. And he's a harmless little snake. I mean, I know he's harmless, but I am still terrified of him. He's a little garden snake. Like, he likes the eggs. I've already found 2 of them in our chicken coop before. Had my son go out there and get them out. But I don't mess with snakes. I just don't. Nope, it's not for me. So, I had to wait till my husband had time to go out there and get the fall decor out for me because I refused. But that video is coming very soon. I will be decorating for fall this week, and then the following week after that, I'm going to be getting tons of laundry done. I've got piles of laundry that just needs to get done. So tons of laundry motivation coming y'all's way. And this is going to be a super busy week for me because I'm going to film decorating for fall. And then on top of that, probably that next day, I will start the laundry routine video. And I did get everything I needed for the laundry booster that I used to put in my husband's uniforms to help get them cleaner. I will show you guys how I make that. And I will show you what his uniforms look like after using it. So it really helps get them a little bit cleaner and a little less smelly. Okay, so it is done. I've got these out of the way. All the clothes are in the baskets. And the next video after this is a laundry routine video. I have got to get all of this laundry washed up, but it looks so much better. I think I want to get a cabinet to hang up right there so I can store all that in there, and it's just out of the way and it'll look so much better in here. And then I'm gonna get like a wooden shelf to put right here that I can just put my laundry soaps and stuff on. But I do want to get some cute containers. I want to get some like this for my little, oh my gosh, I can't talk, you guys. Scent boosting beads, and then I want to get some stuff for the laundry soaps and everything, just to make it look a little bit more nicer in here. So it does look so much better. The rug I'm not going to put back in here. I'm actually going to order, I want to order a cute laundry room rug, but that I probably will put back in later, but I'm not going to do it today because all this will be coming out completely when my husband gets home. He's going to help me take this stuff out, but I've just got it all lined up right there, and big laundry routine video coming real soon, guys. Okay, so here is the new washer and dryer, and I am loving it. I just tossed my bedding in. It just really needed to be washed. It's not like dogs. I am loving them. And I'm sorry for the video going up late today. I have had so much going on. We got the washer and dryer last night. And then I had to pick my son up from work late. And I just kind of fell asleep on the couch after I got my daughter up for school this morning. So just running a little late today. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And I will be decorating for fall this week, as well as doing a laundry routine. I've got a lot going on, so I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and I hope you guys come back for next week's video. Hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday and a fantastic weekend, and I will talk to y'all next week. Bye.